Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is my passion. Today, friends, I will be showing you how to grow the bulbs of amaryllis. Amaryllis lily, though they are not the lily, they are not the true lilies. True lilies are different. They may be a oriental lily or Asiatic lily or Dutch lily, but these are the amaryllis and these are the bulbs. And I tell you, these are the single bulbs, that the flower petals are single. And here you can see these are the bulbs for the double petal bulbs. This time I am growing, first time growing the double bulbs. Around 15 days back, I have purchased these of the bulbs here in Agri Horticultural Society annual flower show, and these are the bulbs from and single bulb. They cost around 25 rupees, and double bulbs, double petal flower bulbs, they cost around 50 rupees. And I purchased all these bulbs, double bulbs, and these are all the single petal bulbs. I will be showing you how to grow them and have a look. And just 15 days back, I have purchased from the Agri Horticulture Society. Have a look at that video and we will come back again. Thank you very much and keep on watching. Thank you. So for the soil mix, I'll prepare you for around 25%. Take the compost or vermicompost and take 25% compost, and 3 parts, around 75 parts garden soil. Dry, best quality of garden soil, mix it. And this is the best mix and the most simplistic mix. You can mix it here. And if you want, you can mix some of your coco peat also, 25%. If you have coco peat, you can grow the bulbs in the coco peats also, 25% you can mix here. And if you want, you can add here around 2 teaspoonful of bone dust or bone meal. So if you like, you can add. Here I am not adding here. I am just mixing only 25% vermicompost and 75% garden soil. This is the most simple method because the flower bulbs contains lots of nutrition here. The lots of nutrition here. They don't need any much of the fertilizer. So don't grow it in much of the fertilizer. And after growing it, you don't have to add any kind of fertilizer here. Just you have to water it in sparingly. Just I am showing you, this is the soil mixture I have made here, 75% garden soil and 25% only the compost. This is the soil mix, and I am showing you how to grow it in the double bulbs and the single bulbs. Thank you very much and keep on watching. Thank you. So friends, I am filling up pot here. This is the 10-inch pot, and for the 10-inch pot I will be growing 3 bulbs here. So if you want to grow single, you can grow in 8-inch pot. This is the 10-inch pot, this is the 8-inch pot. 8-inch pot I will be growing 1 or 2 pieces of these are now filled with this mixture, soil mixture. Now friends, and I will be placing here 3 bulbs. These are all double bulbs. Just push it down. So friends, now fill up the soil here. Fill up the soil up to the neck region. So 2/3 portion should be the below the soil and 1/3 portion above the soil. So this is the area here you can see, and neck region should be above the soil ground. And these are all ready. These are finally ready, and just to water it. And this is now again I am filling up here. This is the 8-inch pot. Now I am adding this one. Place it. And these are all. So these are all. Now what you do is to water it. So first time water it in a good amount, and next time whenever you water it very sparingly, because these are in bulbs condition. So don't water it much, water it once in a gap of 2 to 3 days gap. Whenever the soil gets dried, only then you water it. And when the leaf size goes around 5 to 6 inches, you can water it moderately. So this is all, and within 1 month you can see the all will be full of blooms here. And I am showing you, next time I am showing you how to grow the single bulbs. There are the same technique I will be using here. This is the 3 and 1 here, and these two will I will grow in separate 18 pots here. And all the bulbs of the single bulbs, these are the single bulbs I am showing you. This will be growing. 3 I will be growing in a big pot and 1 in the single 18 pots. So just grow it up, and nothing you have to add any kind of fertilizer. Don't add any kind of fertilizer. Within 1 month you will see the full bloom. Just keep on watching. I am showing the next. Thank you. So friends, these are all the containers here. 4 containers are here for the double and 2 containers are for the single here, and water it. So I tell you, this is the summer months is approaching, and you can grow it at the end of the January and up to April. You can grow this one bulbs, and they will flower up to May and June. You can get the flowers here. So in the summer time you can grow any month. In the February, March, April you can grow this, and you can get flowers around up to June, and the flower stays around 20 days. So these are the excellent amaryllis. You can grow, you can buy from any of the nurseries. From single bulbs you can get around 20 to 30 rupees, and for double bulbs you can get around 40 to 50 rupees. You go to any nursery and purchase this one and grow right now. Simplest thing. And so hope you'll enjoy the video. Please keep on watching. I am showing you the updates. Thank you very much. Keep on watching. Thank you. Welcome back friends. After 20 days, these are the amaryllis lilies. These are all found here. You can see these are the beautiful flowers here, and this is the red one, red and white one. These are the excellent flower. You can see in the close look beautiful. And this one is another bicolor, you can see. And this is the bulb here again. This is yet to new bloom yet to come. And this is another beautiful white color. And these are all, and here one shoot may come again from here also. So they may bloom 1 or 2 from here. This one is the nice one, and this one is again growing from here. And after 20 days only, these are all bloom, and hope this one will flower double. So as the nursery people told me and sold me as a double, but these are all the single variety, not a single have bloom in double. So these are the all yet to bloom here, and these are all. So please visit your nearest nursery and purchase and buy any of the bulbs, amaryllis bulbs. Varieties of at least 10 to 12 color varieties are there, bicolors also, tricolors also. So just visit there and grow, and within 20 to 30 days you can get all the bloom. One thing I make it clear, that this blooms once in a season, only once in a year they can bloom, and you cannot get the repeated bloom from here. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. And if you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I'm going to give you a lot about the berries, flowering and cuttings and all. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.